This presentation introduces the vascular tissue systems in flowering plants, examining dicot and monocot roots and stems, and their adaptations for survival. Explores radial, conjoint closed, and conjoint open vascular bundles, highlighting their unique arrangements and roles in roots and shoots. Discusses xylem and phloem components, their vital roles in transport, and the distinction between open and closed vascular bundles in plant stems. Explains radial arrangement in roots and conjoint arrangement in stems, detailing the structural positioning of xylem and phloem. Analyzes tissue organization in roots, stems, and leaves, using transverse sections to highlight structural differences. Focuses on outer layers like epibilma, cortex, and endodermis, detailing their structures and functions in dicot roots. Describes components inside dicot roots, such as vascular bundles, cambium ring, and stele, and their roles in growth. Covers key features like Casparian strips, small pith, and secondary growth enabled by cambium in dicot roots. Highlights shared features like epidermis, cortex, endodermis, and pericycle in both root types. Explains differences, such as polyarch xylem, large pith, and the absence of secondary growth in monocot roots. Details the outer structure, including layers like epidermis, hypodermis, cortex, and starch-rich endodermis. Explores inner layers, including pericycle, ring-arranged vascular bundles, and central pith. Analyzes xylem, phloem, cambium, and the open structure vital for secondary growth. Introduces monocot stem anatomy and its adaptations, distinct from dicot stems. Describes epidermis, scattered vascular bundles, and absence of cambium, which prevents secondary growth. Covers undifferentiated ground tissue, consisting of parenchyma cells for storage and support. Compares vascular bundle arrangement, secondary growth capability, and ground tissue differentiation. Highlights vital functions such as water and nutrient transport, structural support, and plant growth. Explains how vascular tissues enabled plant growth, diversification, and adaptation to various environments. Summarize the roles of vascular systems in growth and survival, emphasizing their complexity and importance to botany.